Welcome back to another tutorial of PyQGIS in the GIS World Academy. In this short video, I'm gonna talk about adding a customized legend inside a layout using PyQGIS in our QGIS plugin development. If you are excited, let's get started. Till now we have already added the input data, and also maybe we can just test it right now what we have already do. So here is our geodata. The only things that I want to do is maybe we can add the buildings, and after that I want to add the land parcel, which is SHP load data. There you go, great. Okay, then the things that now I want to add more is the layout title, GIS world. Let's print it. Perfect. Then we will go there, layout, GIS word. Good. Till now you have already seen we have our map. So in this tutorial, so we will talk about how we can create a legend. So maybe we can create a once, and also we want to customize it. So if I zoom here, so you will see that I already added the building and the land parcels because this auto update tool has already been activated. But you know that it is very difficult to handle it's in the production part when you have a different type of a projects, when the number of the project increases. So I always wanted to turn it off and handle all these settings on the plugin part and the coding part. And maybe today, for example, maybe you have some house numbers, land parcel number, building functions, a lot of informations that they are just as a visual data, just you want to show it on your map, not something that you want to give the user some informations in the legend. So you need, for example, this is the land parcels. I don't want to have it in my map, so I want to remove it. So we will do exactly the same thing, and maybe we can do some customizations according to the building legend. For example, we can go to the legend instead of what happened. Maybe we can give 10 millimeter or 12 millimeter. Definitely it's not, but just I want to do it so you can see the changes after you're using the layout. Because when you start any project, they have definitely had some specific rules for their map, so you can use them. And then we have some spacing. We don't have a legend, group, subgroups. We will talk about the group and subgroup in another tutorial complete about it. For example, we can what are the differences between the creating the groups in the layer part, I mean here, and what are the differences here. I will talk a little bit about it today, but the complete package of that is definitely it should be in another tutorial, not right now. And then we have maybe we can give a little bit margin to this building. Maybe, I don't know, definitely not, but maybe we can give a 10 to see the differences. Also, we can change the maybe font size. Where is the font size? Uh, where is it? Spacing, positioning, size. Yeah, here. So item labels, maybe we can change it to the Arial. Yeah, the most easiest one, and it is 12. Maybe we can change it to 15. Just these are some ideas. Just you should know that how you can customize it if you know the objects and these things. So everything will be fine. Everything is not open with some search, and you will find everything. Okay, that's fine. So we want to reach this one. So we have a bunch of layer in our map. So I want to just customize it according to the layer that the user and the client wanted to have it in the legend. So you want to create the same thing. Okay, maybe we can close it. As usual, maybe I think all of you has already remember what we have done according to our previous tutorials. So first of all, we are using the Python console. So we are opening a simple layout. So where is my pie chart? So I will open it. Let's see what we have already done according to the last session. So here we have one error. Yes. Step 8. Yeah, that's completely correct because we have a one building function called map, so it is not really good to have it, but we can fix it really fast right now. We should just refactor, rename it. So maybe we can just change it to window, something like this. Make it complicated. Okay, so it's solved. So we have just these errors, and then these are because of the importing functions. So just maybe I can just copy paste the whole thing, and then after that maybe I can bring this here. So I will open the QGIS, I will paste it there, and also here I need to go to the functions. So I need to go to the functions and I need to activate existing layer. I will just copy paste it and put it there. Yeah, perfect. Exactly. Yes, we have our map window, and the layout. Okay, so we need a new function, so which is called def under legend. So I think all of you has already know about what is the thunder. We have already a lot to talk about. So we have our legend. The first thing that we should say that this legend is belong to which layout, and after that we should say that which layers we want to visualize it in this legend. So maybe we can say layers. So maybe it is one or more. And after that, we should say that where is the location, exactly the same as the map, x, y, width, and height of it. Okay, so in that case, first of all, we should create a legend object. Legend. We will create an instance from the QGIS, QGIS layout item, QGIS layout item legend. Perfect. So what should we give to that? We will give the layout to that and close it. So we have already created an instance from the QGIS layout item legend. After that, we should say, so where is the position of that? So we can copy paste something from the map window. Where is my map window? Because that's exactly same. That's exactly same. I will just copy it. Maybe I can make here a little bit smaller so you have a full scene to my code. Also, I think the font size it should be good for you. So here I will change it to legend. I will also change this part to legend. And I think the size of it, this one, 320. So maybe we can change it to 310. I think this one is fine. So now we should call, I think the rest is fine, or we have the legend X and Y. It should be the millimeter and QGIS layout point because it is the point because we want to say where is the starting point of that. And then we have the layout side. We need the width and height, and everything should be in the millimeter and everything is fine. So now in our executor, we should call legend. So here it is our functions. Definitely you know that when we use a doctor, it should be called in this script, not outside it. It is really good for the other developers that want to help you in this project. So here we have our legend. Okay, let's see. First of all, we should give the layout. So here we have already created the layout. And also right now we should give a bunch of the layers that it should be visualized there. Okay, so maybe here just we can give the building and yes, also we can also give the land parcel a list of the things, and after that just in that case if you want to give more it should be just a list of the layers like this, and after that you can just give all the names and then with the for loop you can just activate it with the activate existing layer and just okay. So and Yes, maybe here I can say legend layers, and after that I can give, so I will give here maybe just a layer as a one input. Okay, but definitely you can give a bunch of the layers to that. Then after that, we will exactly pass this one there. What should be x, y, and z coordinate? So definitely it should be started with maybe 300 millimeters. Definitely the y it should be 5, 300, not 300. Maybe we can just give 20 millimeters, and the height maybe it should be 50 millimeters. Yes, we can edit it right now. Just we want to check if it works properly or not. So here is this the legend, and then we defined the coordinate of that, or maybe we can also add something more. Legend dot, we want to set uh set auto, I think, update model. Yes, now I want to make it false. Then we need to clear the group. So always here you will see that every time here we have a group. So in the professional work, in the industry, always you should put your layers. It should be the duplicated one, or the layers that has the same source with different type of filter as a group, as a bunch of the group. So when you are doing it in the legend, I really recommend you not to add exactly the same group. So the best way is that maybe you can just clear a complete group and recreate something new, which is just specified for the layout. Okay, so if you want to do that, group is equal to, first of all, we should call the group. So it should be legend dot so model. And after that, from the model, we should insert root group. So now you have already called all of the groups which are existing in your layer, and then we will clear it. Group dot. Right now we don't have anything. Just I wanna add it here just for your info and for the next step and for the next tutorials. Just we have this. Then we will go for layer in layers. So for a layer in layers, so we need group dot add layer. So which layer? It is a QGIS vector layer. Okay, the type of it should be that. So we are giving the layer to that. Yes, maybe right now we can just test it if there is visualize or not. Layout dot add layout item. So which one you want to add? Legend. Great. So we create a group and then okay, maybe we can just run it. Hopefully there is no error. So we go to the properties, layout, GIS word. Great. Uh, I think it is not. Definitely, it shouldn't be updated. Again, one problem because here we have just a bunch of functions without any calling. Sorry for that. If thunder name thunder equal to thunder console. So in that case, we wanna just call executor. Okay, we are calling just executor, and just I wanna give a layout name to that, and also we should say layout name equal to JS world. Okay, So again, run it again. No error. Project layout GIS Word. Yes, great. So we are seeing that this one has already been created. Maybe we can just push it a little bit to right, and then it will be fine. Okay, then the next part. So how can I make it a little bit bigger? So yeah. Okay, till now we have already, maybe we can do this, let's say 30. Okay, then the next part is we can give the height to the legend. So how we can do that? Just we need some inter, okay, and then we can say legend dot set symbol, set simple height. So maybe, what was it? It was 10. It is too much, but yeah. Here we don't have duplicate, so we should write it again. Set symbol width. Maybe we can give it as a, anyway, 20. So with these two functions, we are setting out the size of the symbol. We are changing the size of the symbol. And another one, legend dot set style font. So for the style font, as you have already seen, we need the QGIS legend style. QGIS, sorry, QGIS legend style. QGIS legend style symbol label. And after that, we need Q font. So these are coming from the PyQt and sorry, Qt designer, Qt library. Yeah, this one is. So I need the Arial. So if the dictation is correct, everything is fine. Maybe we can give 16 anyway. And also we want to have some margins. You want to put a little bit, make a distance between the label and symbol. So legend dot restyle. So in the restyle, what we want to call QGIS legend style. So maybe we can just have it from here, copy it, paste it here. QGIS legend style dot set margin. So QGIS legend style, QGIS legend style dot left. Uh, 15 again. Okay. I hope that everything is fine and we don't have any problem there. So maybe we can run it again. We will again back to the layout, QGIS. Yes, perfect. You can see that it's not really nice and beautiful, but yeah, it works. So here you can see that how you can customize everything inside your QGIS without doing anything manual. You can customize any symbol, any layout with that. With one button, again, everything will be run again and refreshed. Good. Then, yeah, I think we have already done with this part. The only thing we need, we should just copy paste the whole again. So and then from here we need it until there. I'm just copy it. I will not in the functions, we are just going to the legend, or I think the better way it was just copy paste everything from, just copy the legend and back to the map, paste it there, pep 8. So we need to call it officer, and also we have our QGIS legend sort, and also we have our Q font. I don't think it is from Qt Core. Maybe we can just go to our PyQGIS again. Uh, oh, I forgot it. Q font. So Q font is coming from PyQt5 QtGui. Okay, from PyQt5 .qtgui import Q font. Yes, it's perfect. Just we will take it. You see that you don't need to memorize everything or keep everything by heart. Just do it as simple as possible. Okay, so here we have a Q font. I think everything looks fine. So we have our executor, we have a layer, it is a building, I have already told you. So this is not a big problem. And after that, the only thing we need to call the legend. So definitely we need a layout, we need a layer, or as we have already typed, maybe we can say that legend, or yes, legend layers, and then equal to a bunch of lists, and then we can give a layer. And here we are talking about legend layers, and after that, here we said that it should be 10, and here 325, 5, the width is 15, the height is 50. That's it. I think it's fine right now. So we have our layout, we have our everything. So I think we don't need to change anything else. Just we will go to our QGIS again. So maybe I can remove them. Yes. And again, first of all, I should rerun the plugin. Hopefully we don't have any problem. Great. Then I will click on this button. Buildings, land parcels, not this one, SHP. So great. And GIS world print. Let's see if everything's works properly or not. Yeah, perfect. Great. So you have already seen that we have a bunch of the layers. For example, here we had a layer, a building, land parcels. We can select them, we can choose them, we can customize them. Now, right now, you can customize everything, all the things here. Just please search about it, and it's really easy. Like all other videos, thanks a lot for your time and your attention. If you have any further questions or any doubts, please don't forget to comment in the comment section below. See you all in the next video. Bye.